my drink and my two-step, my drink and my two-step, got my drink and my two-step. Drone and tell them that it's like you change.
Woo! What is up, you guys? It's your girl Chanel.janai from around the way. Hey, and in today's video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We are going to be handling hair a little bit differently today. So I know you all have heard the saying, it's not what's always on the outside. You know, outside appearance, it won't really get you by. It's what's on the inside that matters. Well, let me tell you something. When it comes to your hair, it's the same exact principle. We can do things to the outside of our hair, and obviously they have effects and they do work. However, we need to really pay attention to what we intake on the inside of our bodies, like what we're eating and what we're drinking, because those play a huge factor in how our hair is, like the status of our hair, how much shine it has, how much growth we will see. So instead of us doing a hair tutorial where we're showing all these different products that will go on our hair, I'm going to show you a few things that you can eat or make into a juice, like a fruit juice, that will actually enhance your hair's health and growth. For this juice that we will be creating, you will need 12 fresh strawberries, 2 carrots, 1 red apple, and 1 cucumber. And then, of course, the one main product that you will absolutely need to get this job done is a juicer. But anyway, let's get started! Let's go. Okay, y'all, so welcome to my kitchen. Now, I apologize in advance if I mess up any of these names, but I was just doing a lot of research on these items, so that doesn't necessarily tell me how to pronounce everything correctly. However, cucumbers contain potassium, silica, sulfur, and manganese. Now, like I said, do your research and click on vocal to hear the sounds of the words, but that's what it has in it. All of the minerals that I have just listed are beneficial for healthy hair growth. And along with it being beneficial for hair growth, they will also be beneficial when it comes to your skin and nails as well. Another fun fact about cucumbers is that it will keep your body and your hair hydrated. Feels crazy! Next, we're going to add 2 carrots. Carrots will allow your body to generate vitamin A. Vitamin A is important to keep your hair healthy and also improve the texture of your hair as well. Also, it will help to condition and moisturize your scalp. Another benefit of vitamin A is that it'll make your hair thicker and stronger. So we all want that. As natural girls, that's something that we really want and like. Let's do it. Let's do it. This fit? Barely. Now for the strawberries. Yes, these are strawberries. We have 12 strawberries. The strawberries will add vitamin C to our bodies and also high antioxidant content. Both of those will stimulate healthy hair growth as well. Let's go! So last but not least, 1 apple. It does not matter which apple for this particular drink, but I'm using a Granny Smith green apple. Grapples. What do I be talking about? But apples are my absolute favorite fruit, like, of all time. If y'all don't have one of these, go get you one. They will save your life. Like, the day this came into my life was forever changed, and I just thank God. I really do thank him for putting this in my life. Look at how beautiful this did. Look at this. It took the core out, cut it up into 8 pieces. Look at the core. Wow. So now that we have our apples, we will put this in here to finish off our drink. Apples are also high in vitamin C. We already covered that vitamin C also is good for stimulating hair growth. It's also a good source of vitamin A. Besides the fact that it has the good vitamins in the apples, apples will also add a sweet taste to your drink so that your drink just tastes extra delicious. Let go! Whoa! I'm so slow. Come on, what's it doing? It was at this very moment that I realized I am a klutz. Not bad. The only thing I would say is that it needs to be chilled. If this is nice and cold, then that will be even better. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator so that it gets cold. With these juices, they are good for a good 24 hours. Don't go beyond that, saving and holding on to it. So go ahead and finish all of this. As you can see, we made more than 16 ounces because this was full. So more than 2 cups in proportion was made with our mixture. Please give this video a huge thumbs up if you would like to see more videos like this. I do know of other juicing recipes that also can help us with our healthy hair journey and also hair growth and also health in general of our bodies. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up so that I know what you guys are interested in. And if you are new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. You know you want to. You know you want to. Go. You struggling? Let me help you. Give me your finger. Give me your finger. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Show me some love. Show me some support. You know you want to. You know you want to. You know you want to, girl. Ooh, I got spirit fingers. Ooh. 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 Alright, y'all. I will see y'all in the next video.